Let's get one thing straight. Making $100 a day from trading is not hard because of the strategy. It's hard because of everything else. In this video, we are breaking down the real path. No hype, no shortcuts, just what actually works in 2026. First is $100 a day. Realistic? Yes. But not in the way most beginners think. If you are starting with $500 or $1,000, you're not building consistent income, you are gambling. A realistic starting point is somewhere between $5,000 to $20,000. Why? Because proper risk management matters. If you risk 1% per trade on a $5,000 account, that is $50 risk. With a 1 to 2 setup, that is $100 profit. That is your math, that is your foundation. So if the goal is clear, the next question is, what should you actually trade? Forget complicated indicators and secret systems. Most profitable traders use simple concepts. Number 1, trend plus pullback. You follow the direction of the market and enter during temporary corrections. Use basic tools like support and resistance, and moving averages such as the 20 or 50 EMA. This alone can carry your entire trading career. Number 2, breakouts. Price consolidates, then breaks out, then you enter. Works especially well in crypto stocks and indices. But here's the catch: most beginners get trapped in false breakouts. Number 3, scalping fast trades quick profits. But honestly, not for beginners. It requires experience, speed, and emotional control. If you're new, stick to intraday or swing trading. Now here's the part no one likes to hear. Time. Trading is not a 30-day transformation. Realistically, the first 3 months bring confusion, mistakes, and losses. 3 to 6 months, you start understanding patterns. 6 to 12 months, you get your first consistent weeks. 1 to 2 years brings possible, real consistency. Fast success does happen, but it almost never lasts. So why do most traders fail? Not because of strategy, because of mistakes. Number 1, over-risking, risking 5 to 10% per trade. 3 bad trades and your account can be gone. Number 2, over-trading too many trades, trying to make it back. That is not trading, that is emotional reaction. Number 3, no system switching strategies every week. You cannot improve what you do not stick to. Number 4, emotional trading, fear, greed, revenge. This destroys more accounts than bad strategies ever will. Number 5, ignoring risk management. This is the number 1 killer. Not the market, not volatility, just poor risk control. So what does it actually take to reach consistent $100 a day? First, a simple system, 1 or 2 strategies. Clear entry and exit rules. Second, risk management risk. 0.5% to 1% per trade. Aim for at least a 1 to 2 ratio. Third, tracking your trades. Keep a journal. If you're not measuring, you are guessing. Fourth, discipline. You do not need to trade every day. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Fifth, market understanding, know trends, liquidity, and major news events. This gives context to everything you do. Now let us put it all together. Here is what the journey actually looks like. You start with $2,000 to $5,000. Your goal is not to make money, your goal is to survive. After a few months, you might reach consistency at $20 to $50 a day. Then, over time, you increase position size, refine your system, and eventually reach $100 per day. So here's the truth. Making $100 a day in trading is possible. But it is not about finding the perfect strategy. It is about becoming the kind of person who can execute one simple strategy consistently. 90% of traders do not fail because the market is hard. They fail because they cannot manage risk and they cannot manage themselves. If you focus on that, you are already ahead of most traders. If you want, I can break down a beginner-friendly strategy step by step in the next video.